I am giving you Cancun, Aruba, Paris. I don't know where I'm going, girl, but I'm looking cute today. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. It's your girl Ginger, of course. Welcome back. So it is that time of the year where we wrap up the very best of the best of the best, the creme de la creme of products from 2021. Is that the year we're in? Yeah, according to Jen, because I only have one head, okay, and those are the products that I've been using this year. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Actually, you know what? Let's start with a little disclaimer. That's right. Wait. Before we get into the disclaimer, let's roll the intro. I gotta give you a little background. First of all, I stopped using raw oils and butters, so there will not be any raw oils or butters featured in this video. That's what you're looking for. You're not gonna find it here. So no hard feelings, it's all good. Bye, girl. Second of all, products do not grow your hair, okay? I say this in every single video that I make about products because I can't be held responsible. If you're not taking care of your hair, you're wasting your time and money on products. Slapping products on your hair is not going to make it grow. I'm so sorry. But the methods. Are you caring for your hair? Are you loving your hair? Are you not pulling it out? That's what's going to grow your hair, and that's how you're going to retain your length, okay? Number 3, some of the products that I'm going to be featuring in this video are, honestly, they all kind of feel different than the products that I used to use in the past. And I'm putting this one as a disclaimer because if you're looking for products that are rich in oils that's going to leave your hair oily, you're not going to find it in this video. There's no raw oils, so these products are not going to feel greasy after you do your hair. Your hair is going to be hydrated, it's going to be moisturized, but it's not going to be oily. And I think there's this misconception that oily hair equals moisturized hair, and oily hair is oily hair. Your hair can be dry under your oils. I'm just saying, dry hair is dry hair. Oily is not hydrated, and these products are not meant to leave your hair oily, okay? There's oils in them, but they're not gonna leave your hair oily. And that's it. Is there any more disclaimers? I think that's it. Okay, this video is already long enough. Let's get started with the top products that I've used in 2021. I'm actually gonna go in categories so that this video is nicely organized for you. If you wanna skip ahead, the timestamps is going to be provided so that you can do just that. I got your back. I know you be clicking and fast forwarding, girl. I know. The first product that we have is this Malibu Undo Go. This is a clarifying shampoo, so it's going to leave your hair squeaky clean. This is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to deeply clean your hair. Think about your house when you do that deep cleaning once a year, you know, around the holidays. You're like, you know what? I really need to clean this house. This is Undo Go, okay? Because of that, I feel like I've never been a huge fan of clarifying shampoos. I understand what it's supposed to do. I am mentally prepared to get that squeaky clean feeling, but it's not my favorite feelings in the world. It's not meant to be used every day either. You're supposed to use this every 8 weeks or so. You need to have a clarifying shampoo in your stash though. Reset your hair once in a while. It's not a bad thing. Malibu C Undo Go is my clarifier of choice, and I quite enjoy using it, all things considered. Second shampoo that we have is another one that is meant to clean your hair thoroughly. So now when we talk about shampoos, this is very interesting. Let's turn this into a little learning opportunity. I have a clarifying shampoo, I have an all-purpose shampoo, and I have a few moisturizing shampoos, but I only have 2 hands. When you look at shampoos this way, what I've learned, and I've learned this from Black Girl Curls, there is a spectrum to shampoos. So this is meant to deeply, wait a minute y'all, my bad sis. This is meant to deeply, thoroughly clean your hair. This is going to thoroughly clean your hair. And this is meant to clean your hair. So there's a range when it comes to shampoos. And when you're looking at it this way, this is supposed to be the strongest to the least strong in terms of how clean it's going to leave your hair. Oh my god, I am butchering this. I feel like I should just make a video on it, girl, so I can get my thoughts together. But yeah, this is the reason why there's multiple categories of shampoos. And if you happen to like products like me, then, you know, this is kind of fun. In any case, clarifying shampoo, all-purpose shampoo. So this is AG Balance. It cleans your hair and leaves it nice and clean. If I skip a week so I don't wash my hair for whatever reason, I'm busy, life gets in the way, I'm human, okay, cut me some slack, then I will use this shampoo. But if I'm washing consistently on a weekly basis, then I'm going with AG Curl Fresh shampoo. It's more on the moisturizing side, whereas this is more in the middle. I don't know if that makes sense. If you want a video on it, more than happy to do so. Those are the 3 shampoos that I have. I'm about to break something. So the other 2 shampoos that we have, they're also on the moisturizing side. We have Maui Hair Care. If you follow me on Instagram, even here on YouTube, you know that I work with them this year. So I use a ton of their products. And I really like their lines, okay? I found that their shampoos are just straight to the point, no frills, ingredients look good. All of their products actually starts with aloe vera juice as the first ingredient, and then there's water. All of their products, so I think that's kind of cute. I see what you're doing there, Maui. They do what they're supposed to do, and the shampoos are pretty nice. So I have been using these products as well. Basically, this video is going to be all the products that Jen has been using this year, because I actually quite enjoy all of the products that I have. This is the reason why I use them. My regular on a weekly basis conditioner is either AG Boost or AG Curl Fresh conditioner. I like AG Hair Care. I find that their products are actually very good. They smell amazing. It's all plant-based. When it comes to things that you're putting on your body as well as inside your body, so your food, I am starting to be a lot more conscious of what I'm using, and I like products like these that are plant-based, that don't have a ton of chemicals in them, and just effective. So AG Hair Care on both of these conditioners. They will be linked down below, by the way. I actually also worked with AG Hair this year, which was kind of cute, you know, because I started using their products, and then, you know, they reached out to me, and I was like, girl, I already like these products. You serious? For conditioners, we also have Maui Moisture Conditioners. This is the Curl Quench Coconut Oil, as well as the Lightweight Curls. It's the same line as the shampoo that I just showed you. Again, nice conditioners, good ingredients, effective products, and that's what I've been enjoying this year. I find that all of my products are actually just straightforward versus so many different products that all basically do the same thing. Oil for pre-poo, and then shampoo, conditioner, and you have a deep conditioner, and then you have something for your edges, something to moisturize with, a leave-in conditioner. I just felt like that had so many different categories of products, and now things are just a little bit more streamlined. I can keep everything in this little basket. I can clean out my hair product drawer, and I really like that. Anyways, you didn't ask for all that. That's it for conditioners, actually. So now we're gonna move on to deep conditioners. For deep conditioners, oh no, something is leaking. Innocence, is that you? Uncle Funky. It's Uncle Funky. Uncle Funky, what's wrong with you? My favorite deep conditioner this year is Camille Rose. I love this deep conditioner, and you notice how my voice got a little deeper just because I'm serious now. This little product, amazing. I love it. It makes your hair feel so soft. I don't know if it's because I have color, but I feel like even before I had color, I used to really enjoy a deep conditioner, and this one really does it for me. It checks all of the boxes. It smells amazing. It's thick. It melts in your hair. It takes away your tangles. Wow. My favorite product of this entire year. Okay, I'm jumping to conclusion. We haven't gotten to the gel categories. Anyways, this is a good product, okay? That's all I'm trying to say. Also have AG Hair Care. They have a nourishing mask. It's a deep conditioning mask. It has snow mushroom, which apparently is able to retain 1,000 times its weight in water. All that to say, this feels lovely in your hair. When you put it on, you can feel that your hair is just retaining so much water. Your hair gets so heavy with water. I really enjoy this one, but it's very interesting because it's not oily. Okay, so you know how we are used to deep conditioners, even like the Camille Rose, you can tell that it has a higher oil content in it than something like this. So it's very light. It's not gonna leave your hair greasy. I keep saying that because I can only imagine the feeling that I used to chase when I was using oils and butters, raw oils and butters. I was chasing a particular feeling, and it was basically my hair being oily. I wanted my hair to feel coated with something, and I wanted it to feel oily, which is why I will put an oil at the end of my routine on my hair to seal everything in. And now I don't actually chase that oily feeling anymore. I want my hair to be hydrated. I want it to feel soft. I want it to feel conditioned, but I don't want it to be oily. And that's where something like that comes in. Anyways, you're not paying me to talk about these products. I feel like I'm trying to convince you a little too hard for no reason. We have a protein treatment as well. and that is because I have color. If you don't know, I've been using ApHogee this year. I feel like I should be using this a little bit more often than I do because I have color. I have to think about it. When it comes to moisturizing products, I don't have to think about it. That's basically my go-to. But for protein, I have to be more mindful. In any case, all that to say, when I do think about using protein, I've been using the ApHogee treatment. I actually have two of them. One of them that I really love, once again, Camille Rose Natural. I feel like I should probably try the entire line just because I love the leave-in and I love the deep conditioner, and it smells so good. The leave-in conditioner feels amazing. It melts in your hair as well. I love using at least just a little bit, especially in the winter. I find that it just conditions my hair. It gets it ready for the gel. I like leave-in conditioners, but not everybody uses them. Totally respect that, girl. But I like them in Jen J's hair, okay? Second leave-in conditioner is actually from Curly Hair Designs. It's a salon here in Ottawa. I filmed a video with Paula not too long ago, back in August, and it's a leave-in conditioner that she formulated and she sells. So I got it when I was there. It feels really good on the hair as well. It's a coconut milk conditioner, and the ingredients look good. So I don't use it as often as I would want to admit, just because I've been hooked on the Camille Rose one. But this is a good one that I have in my stash. Stylers that I've been using all year. And you guys know this because I have a big old bottle. Uncle Funky's daughter, ladies and gentlemen. This is the holy grail when it comes to no oil and butters. A lot of people also talk about the Camille Rose Curl Maker, but I've never tried it. That's my product that I want to try after this one is done, because I'm trying to get away from being a product junkie. I do not need a closet full of products, okay? I just don't. Once this is done, I'm going to get Curl Maker, but I really like it. It's the first botanical gel that I've used. I used Kinky Curly way back in the day though, way back when I did not know what I was doing. And now I feel like if I revisit that product, I probably would enjoy it, because I just felt like Kinky Curly was sticky back then, but that's also because I wasn't using a lot of water. Anyways, that's a whole other story, girl. Curly Magic for my botanical gel. The second botanical gel that I've also been loving is the Earth Tone Natural Curl Enhancing Jelly. These botanical gels are expensive. I think that cost me like $30. Both of them are really good. I would recommend them both. And those are the only two botanical gels that I've tried on this journey so far. I have the Curl Fresh Definer Gel from AG Hair Care as well. Now this is a product that's not going to give you the same result as Uncle Funky and Earth Tone Naturals. It's not going to define your hair as much. However, it's going to give you a nice soft wash and fro. And I personally love the wash and fro. Yeah, I wanted to include that one. We have the top two recommended topper gels. Innocence I Create Hold, as well as the Dew. When I first used the Dew, I actually did not like it. So I would say there's a bit of a learning curve when it comes to using the Dew. Innocence is a very good one. You don't want to use a lot though. So these products honestly should last you a year. I promise you. A bottle of Innocence, you need to use just a small amount of this product, otherwise your hair will be hard. It creates holes. Not playing when it tells you that. I've had it for the past 6 months and I'm probably like up to here. I have grown to love the Dew. I use it for my wash and goes, love it for my wash and goes. I've only used it a few times for other styles, and I find that it's not my favorite for other styles. That's what it is. I don't love it when I have to take down my hair the next day. So for example, if I'm doing a flat twist out, if I use something like this and then I have to take it down, I find that I don't love that tacky feeling when my hair is dry with just the Dew. Maui Moisture Curl Smoothie. First of all, I'm mad at y'all. No one told me this product was so good. No one told me. I thought we were friends, but I see how it is. So I just told you I don't like to use the Dew for styles that I'm going to take out, like a twist out, a flat twist out, or whatever. However, I like to use this product for that because it's basically like a whipped shea butter. That's the texture it reminds me of. It's a whipped shea butter without the oil feeling. I know, it's really weird. You gotta try it for yourself. Look at it. It's this creamy, this thick, creamy butter almost. There's coconut oil. There's a little bit of shea butter, but it's like halfway down the list. So yeah, it really feels like a whipped shea butter without it feeling oily or greasy in your hair. That's what it reminds me of. So I kind of feel like I'm using the same products that I used to love when I was using oils, just without the oily, greasy feeling. I don't have oil stains on my pillowcases or on my pillows, and I really love that. Let me enjoy myself, okay? And that is basically it, ladies and gentlemen. Those are the products that I've been using all year and that I thoroughly enjoy. Once you let go of chasing products, then I really think you can have a nice little stash of quality products that's going to last you a long time. I feel like if I don't buy products, these products will probably last me like 3 years. What's the expiration date on products, huh? Actually, I don't know. When does that expire? I feel like I've never checked the expiry date on products before. I don't even have my glasses on. I can't see. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, you guys, we are almost at the end of Vlogmas, which means I'm gonna take some time off. I'm not even gonna lie. I hope you know that I'm gonna take some time off because it's been a lot of work, but I enjoyed so much. I'm gonna have to make a whole other video to like wrap up Vlogmas properly. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. All the links will be down below. Let me know what are your favorite products of 2021 because I would love to try some new products next year, especially once I'm done with some of these products and I can get something that you recommend. Let's influence each other. I'm gonna get up out of here, but I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.